Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Music from My Home. This week we're going to feature actually one of my very favorite instruments, the saxophone, because I have been playing saxophone ever since I was in 5th grade. And some of you out there, I know, you've started this year in 5th grade playing saxophone, or some of you might get the chance very soon to play, and I can even teach you. So I've been playing since I was in 5th grade, clear up till now, and I'm not going to tell you my age, but I've been playing a very long time. This is the alto saxophone, and let's learn a little bit about how it works. First of all, you need a reed, and a reed's just a little piece of wood, and I got to put that in my mouth. It seems a little silly, but I've got to get it wet. Then I take my mouthpiece, and it's hollow right there. So I'm going to put my reed there on the mouthpiece, and that is what's going to do the vibrating. If you remember from a few weeks ago when I had my piece of paper, the piece of paper, when it's shaking, it does all the vibrating and it starts all the noise making. So in this case, it's my reed that's going to be shaking when I blow in it, and that starts the sound of the saxophone. I know it sounds kind of silly, doesn't it? But when you put it on here, on the neck, and on the body of the saxophone, then it starts to make its notes. Now, I'm sure you at home probably knew what that song was, even if I wasn't singing the words. I know it's kind of silly for this time of year. I was playing Jingle Bells. And I was doing that by opening and closing different fingers. And these things called pads, they allow different amounts of air to come out. So when I open and close them, I'm changing the notes each time, and that's how I'm playing my music. So this is the alto saxophone. It's one of the two smallest saxophones. There's also a tenor and a baritone saxophone, which are much bigger, and they play much lower. So again, this is the alto saxophone. The musician for this week, his name is Charlie Parker. Charlie Parker, he also loved to play the alto saxophone. So I hope you enjoy this week of Music from My Home, featuring the saxophone and our musician of the week, Charlie Parker.